Here I've got OnePlus 7T, and let me show you how to activate and use developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and choose Settings, go to About Phone, and now just keep tapping on build number for 7 times. And as you can see, now we are a developer, so let's go back, and under System you will locate developer options located here. Simply click here to activate them, and now you can use all the super advanced features. You can perform all of these operations, come along with them and carefully use them. And then whenever you want to switch them off, smoothly click on this icon, this switcher, and as you can see they are no longer active. Let's go back, and they also disappeared from system. So anytime you would like to use them one more time, you will have to perform the same trick again. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate developer options in your OnePlus 7T. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.